Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Children, let's do something different today. Okay? Children, do you know on which planet do we live? Yes, we all live on the planet Earth. Okay? It is called the mother planet. Why it is called the mother planet? Because the Earth is the only planet which supports life, as water is present on the surface of the earth and there is air also to breathe. Okay, and do you know what is environment? Environment is a layer of air that surrounds us. Okay, and we should use eco-friendly product to keep the environment clean and fresh. Okay, what is eco-friendly? Eco-friendly means the things which do not harm the environment. Children, in your nursery or LKG class, you have studied the alphabets. There are 26 alphabets. But today we will study eco-friendly alphabets. Okay, you are surprising. What are eco-friendly alphabets? So today I am going to discuss the eco-friendly alphabets. Listen carefully. Okay, A for avoid single-use plastic items, bags, cutleries, straws. Okay, we should avoid the things which are made of plastic, like you use a straw for soft drinks. We should avoid straws. Okay, because plastic creates a lot of pollution, so we should avoid single-use plastic items. Clear? B for bicycle for the work. It means for small work, for small distances. If we want to go to a short distance, we should use bicycle instead of scooties. Okay? C for compost. We should try to compost the kitchen waste, the vegetable peels and fruit peels. Okay. D for donate your old books and your old clothes to the needy persons. Clear? E for eat local, the things which are available in your market, nearby your market. You should eat those things and you should eat healthy things. Clear? F for fix things instead of replacing them. We should fix the things instead of buying new things. Suppose if washing machine is out of order, we should get it repaired instead of buying a new one. Okay? G for grow your vegetables at your home. Okay? H for hang clothes to air dry. Your mama washes the clothes into the washing machine, so she can dry the clothes into the air so that the germs can be killed and it will also save the electricity. Clear? I for incorporate vegetables, more and more vegetables into our meals. Okay, children. J for join community garden. If there is a garden near your community, you should try to join it. Okay, children. K for keep bees. We should not destroy the bees. We should not harm the bees because bees are the good pollinating agents. Okay. L for lend books or start a little library. Children, you can do one thing. Suppose you are four friends. You can purchase a single book of different story and you can lend the book to your friends. In this way you will be having four books to read. Okay? And for plant milkweed for monarchs. Milkweed is a plant, is an American plant which attracts the monarchs, means king and queen butterflies. Okay, because bees and butterflies are good pollinators. So we should try to plant milkweed for monarchs. Clear? And for use natural alternatives instead of chemicals. Clear? Lemon is a good cleaning agent. Okay? O for buy organic things. We should buy organic fruits and vegetables. We should support organic farming because it does not harm the environment and it does not harm us also. The fruits and organic fruits and vegetables are very healthy for us. Okay. P for avoid pesticides to protect insects. We should avoid pesticides. Okay. And we should give the advice to the farmers. Do not use pesticides. Clear, children? Q for quit one environmentally harmful habit. We should at least leave one environmentally harmful habit, the habit which we are having and that harm the environment. For example, what we do, sometimes we litter on the road. We throw the garbage on the road. So, it harm the environment. It create pollution. So, we should try to quit that habit and we should use covered dustbins. Clear? Recycle is a process by which the old things are converted into new product. Okay? So, we should try to use recyclable things. As for shop second hand. Children, we should shop second hand things. Okay? If we can shop second hand things, new things can be produced less. Okay, so we should shop second hand things. For example, we can purchase second hand books from our friends. Okay, in this way we can save the paper. If we can save the paper, trees will not cut down. Okay. T for take reusable totes for the grocery shop. Tote means bags. So whenever we go to the grocery shop, we should take the totes, we should take the bags that are reusable like cloth bags because they are durable also and we can use them again after washing. Clear? So we should always take reusable totes whenever we go to the grocery market. U for use a rain barrel. When there is rain, we should put a big drum, barrel means big drum on the terrace to conserve rainwater. V for be a volunteer in eco-friendly non-profit. Okay, we should try to be a volunteer. We should come forward to save the environment without thinking any profit. Okay. W for wear ethically clothes. Ethically means the clothes which do not harm the environment. So we should try to purchase ethically clothes to save the environment. X for limit excessive use of paper and plastic. We should limit excessive use of paper. We should use the paper from the both sides and some students are in the habit of tearing the paper, so they should avoid this habit. Okay, and we should not use plastic. Okay. Y for take your own to-go coffee cup whenever you go to the coffee shop. Okay. And Z for work together to a zero waste. Okay. We should try not to produce waste. And how can we do this? We can do this by refusing, reducing, recycling. Okay. So this is the way to produce zero waste. Okay, children. So today you have studied the magic alphabets, eco-friendly alphabets. Okay. Learn all the alphabets. I will send you the worksheet. Okay, children. Bye-bye.